Betterment Identity Verification Upload documents from the Fix Account page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Betterment's Identity Verification. To do that, log into Betterment on your web browser, then go to Settings. After you click on Settings, go to Profile, then Account Suspended, then Fix Account. Then follow the prompts to securely upload your verification document, as it may differ according to your region as well. And once submitted, please allow 4 to 5 business days for document review, and you will receive a confirmation email once your account is approved. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is Betterment Identity Verification. Upload documents from the Fix Account page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.